Benvenuti! Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with 10 common words you should remember if you are a beginner in Italian. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Iniziamo means let's begin. Our first phrase is amor, amore, love. Amore, love. Our next phrase is casa, casa, house or home. Amore, love, and casa, house or home. I upload every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 or 3 or 2 minutes. Learning Italian in short ways is the most fun and easiest way to learn Italian faster. So please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrase. Our next phrase is cibo, cibo, food, cibo, food. Repeat after me if you want. Cibo, food. Next one is acqua, acqua, water, acqua, water, cibo, food. Next phrase is sole, sun, sole, sun. Repeat after me if you want. Sole, sun, luna, moon, luna, moon. Sole is sun and luna is moon. If you liked the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. Now let's move on to our next phrase is mare, sea. Mare, sea. Mare, sea. Città, city. Città, city. Repeat after me if you want. Mare, sea. Mare, sea. And città means city. If you want to repeat them, then pause the video and repeat them 1 or 2 times if you want, okay? Our next phrase is tempo. Tempo. It simply means time or weather. Tempo, time or weather. Next one is uomo. Uomo, men. Uomo, men. And donna means in English, woman. Uomo, men, and donna means woman. Repeat after me if you want. Tempo, time, uomo, man, and donna, woman. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.